also coming to you on www.youtube.com/CCL. Oh, got him! Very first ball, the second over of Nandaki. Not very well played by Pradeep at all. He moved away, left a big gap. And the leg stump cartwheeled over. Sure, Kenny, the owner, not particularly happy. There we go, moved away. Not very elegant at all. He wouldn't like to see a replay of this later on, Ron.
You're right, Charu. Not the best of shots. Team owner Ashok Kenny very distraught over there. This game is evenly poised, Charu. It's evenly poised. We'll talk more about it after the break. It's 92.4 after 12.1. In the field, but clearly going down leg side. A single, and he gets the man in form, Dhruv, on strike. That's what Karthik needs to do for a while now. Just make sure he rotates the strike, keeps getting bat and ball, ones and twos. No big shot required because Dhruv will play the big shots.
He went under the bat there, so yes, he had moved away. But it looks like, I did mention this a little earlier on, that the ball, the bounce here suddenly seems to be a little uneven. And even the best have a problem with uneven bounce, leave alone the film stars who have worked very hard to get their skill levels up. But Nandakishore is bowling with, well, a gentle medium pace, but it's still got a bit of nip. And if there is an uneven bounce, difficult to adjust.
Slower ball, well bowled, well fielded off his own bowling. A shy at the non-striker's end, but this scurried through for a single. Again, good intelligent batting and running by the Karnataka Bulldozers. Karthik obviously has come out with a game plan, and the game plan is give Dhruv as much of the strike as possible.
There he goes. It could be a dangerous situation. I think a one bounce four. Well, long on came sprinting in, but he was just beaten by the ball to the boundary. And again, Dhruv just seems to be a little unable to clear the boundary, clear the fence, that is. Handsome lofted drive, but just not enough.
Good batting by Dhruv. He knows he's the senior batsman now. He knows he's the batsman the Bulldozers are looking at. And just as we say the Bulldozers are looking at him, Dhruv departs. 2 wickets in this over. One with the very first ball and one with the very last ball of the over. It's 99 for 5 after 13 overs.
Well, the Karnataka Bulldozers now know they're in trouble. One of their mainstays, Dhruv, done in by the little bit of movement. Went on the back foot, can't fault him. The ball moved away just a bit. The off stump was